Sam is a busy entrepreneur, and Rocky is a poor salesman. Every morning, Rocky would knock on doors, trying to sell anything he could get his hands on. But despite his efforts, his pockets remained empty. One sunny day, Rocky stumbled upon a magical lamp while wandering the streets. He rubbed it, and out popped a genie. "Thank you for releasing me," said the genie. "I'll grant you 3 wishes." Rocky's eyes gleamed with greed. "I wish for wealth beyond measure," he exclaimed. The genie nodded and granted his wish. Suddenly, Rocky found himself swimming in piles of gold coins. Overwhelmed by his newfound riches, he forgot about his sales job and lived a life of luxury. Meanwhile, Sam noticed a decline in his business. His once loyal customers were now flocking to Rocky, enticed by his extravagant displays of wealth. Determined to uncover the secret behind Rocky's success, Sam set out to investigate. Sam discovered Rocky's encounter with the genie and realized the source of his sudden prosperity. Consumed by jealousy, Sam tracked down the magical lamp and summoned the genie. "I wish to be wealthier than Rocky," Sam demanded. The genie granted his wish, and Sam's business flourished even more than before. But his insatiable greed only grew stronger. He became obsessed with acquiring more wealth, neglecting his employees and customers in the process. Unbeknownst to Sam, his actions angered the genie. In a fit of rage, the genie reversed Sam's wish, leaving him penniless once again. With his business in ruins and his reputation tarnished, Sam realized the folly of his greed. As for Rocky, he continued to enjoy his wealth, oblivious to the chaos he had caused. However, his happiness was short-lived as he soon realized that money couldn't buy him true happiness or friendship. In the end, both Sam and Rocky learned valuable lessons about the consequences of greed. And as for the magical lamp, it disappeared, never to be found again, leaving behind a cautionary tale for those who dare to seek wealth at any cost.